Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Now folks, this is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Now, if you are in the market for a P Baron, this is the best on the market today, best in class. 1984 Baron 58P, like new, so much to tell you about. Let's take a look. So we all know the P Baron, it's the ultimate transportation machine for business and pleasure. You're going to want to take your things with you. We can carry up to 300 pounds up here. And look at this, the spring thing, so we can load our belongings and not get bonked on the head. So let's talk about your engines. Turbocharged Teledyne Continental TSIO 520, 325 horsepower. The left engine, 645 hours. The right engine, 715 hours since Ram major overhaul. And your props, only 44 hours since prop overhaul. As you can see, this P Baron is known ice equipped. We've got the wing and the tail de-ice boots, Vortex generators, and plenty of fuel to fly to our business and dream destinations. 196 gallons of usable fuel. The exterior of this P Baron is exceptional. Matterhorn white top with blue bottom and blue-gray striping. Custom paint job with ceramic coating. Absolutely gorgeous and in new condition. 3,475 hours total time on the airframe since new. Just like everything else, the interior on this Baron is gorgeous. We'll take a closer look in just a minute. Just a reminder here, of course, we load our passengers and the cargo opening is on the other side of the aircraft or on the left side on the P Baron. Your passengers are going to love the interior. Like new, beautiful, gorgeous condition. Beautiful taupe leather seating. The sidewalls, the headline are all in perfect condition, as well as the flooring. Now I'll tell you, we've got 6-place intercom system. It's even been wired for Bose headsets. Shoulder harnesses for everybody. The seat belts have been re-webbed. The seats have all been re-foamed. And up front we have new sheepskin inserts. Gorgeous. So check out this impressive flight deck. Garmin 500 TXI EFIS glass panel. We have 2 Garmin 750 XI Navcom GPSs, XM weather on board. Your transponder, it's a Garmin GTX 345 with ADS-B in and out, traffic, and FIS-B. Your radar, it's a color radar system. We have Garmin chart view displayed on the 500. The Autopilot is a Garmin 600 Autopilot with yaw dampener and more. Other features you will appreciate: prop synchronizer, Vortex generators, new windshield, that's a $25,000 value, new SoundEX super soundproofing, factory oxygen system, wing spoilers, known icing system, wingtail de-ice boots, new hot plate, that's a $7,000 value, new Rosen sun visors, new paint with ceramic coating, heated windshield segment, factory air conditioning, and so much more. So folks, this beautiful 1984 P Baron is looking for a new home. Now this Baron 58P is the best in class. I don't think there's another P Baron out there that's in better condition, the best on the market today. So you know what that means. You need to give us a call right away. We're Carolina Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We would love to meet you. Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to feel safe and comfortable in your new to you P Baron. Don't wait, folks. We look forward to seeing you right away. I'm May K. Beeler for Carolina Aircraft. Thanks so much for watching.